Welcome everyone to the monkey farm. The gate is opening, and here comes Pee-Pee, his best friend, and the minion to start the day. Check out the chicken coop. The minion is trying to act like a rooster, but the real rooster looks totally confused by him. Look at that fluffy white rabbit hopping along the garden path. Pee-Pee and the minion are watching it go on a little adventure. Oh no, the pig is splashing in the mud with a rabbit on his head. Pee-Pee and the minion can't believe their eyes. It's such a beautiful day. Everyone is gathering in the green meadow, laughing among the wildflowers and rolling hills. Inside the barn, Pee-Pee is saying hello to the big cow. Watch out, Mr. Minion. I wouldn't touch his nose if I were you. Ouch, the cow didn't like that at all. Up goes the minion, flying through the air and landing face first in the dirt. Run, Pee-Pee, run. Pee-Pee and the girl monkey are racing down the dirt road, and even the farm animals are joining the fun. Pee-Pee is dashing through the beautiful purple lavender field with a bucket. Everyone is chasing after him in the bright sun. Splash! Pee-Pee throws the bucket right into the pond. The white duck flaps around, and the girl monkey thinks it's hilarious. It's a golden afternoon for a walk. Pee-Pee waves hello to the white goat by the gate while the sheep roam around. Here comes the sheep, jumping right into the mud puddle. Splat! Mud goes everywhere, and Pee-Pee and the minion cheer him on. What a sweet moment! Pee-Pee and the girl monkey walk arm in arm down the path, with their goat friend following close behind. Faster, faster! Pee-Pee is zooming past the old wooden shed, with the goat and the pig hot on his heels. Look over there! The goat is chewing on the hay, and surprise! A little rabbit just popped out to say hello. It's dance time. The whole gang is lined up in front of the haystacks, showing off their best moves in the grass. High five! Pee-Pee and the girl monkey celebrate their friendship on top of the sunny hill with a big handshake. Here they come. The whole group is running down the grassy slope towards us. Look at them go on this sunny day. The goat is showing off by standing on two legs. The minion is rolling on the floor laughing while the pig watches. Tumble time! Everyone is rolling down the hill like logs. The minion is getting dizzy spinning around so fast. Hey fight! Pee-Pee and the girl monkey are throwing straw at each other, while sheep jumps for joy in the background. Oh my gosh! Pee-Pee is shocked. The goat is chewing on a metal bucket, making a super loud crunching noise. Bam! The goat headbutts the bucket, sending it flying high into the sky. The pig and minion watch it soar. Clap! The bucket lands right on the sheep's head. He can't see anything. Pee-Pee is running over to save the day. Gently does it. Pee-Pee lifts the bucket up, and the sheep is so happy to see again. Good job, Pee-Pee. The team huddles out by the fence. Pee-Pee points toward the horizon, planning their next big adventure together. Strike! The minion rolls down the hill and knocks the sheep and pig over like bowling pins into the flowers. Everyone is feeling a bit dizzy now. They sit in the flowers shaking their heads while Pee-Pee claps and dances. Achoo! The pig sneezes flower petals everywhere. The minion shakes them off, and the girl monkey can't stop giggling. Party time! Pee-Pee jumps into a huge pile of colorful petals, and the minion dives right in after him. The sun is setting as Pee-Pee and the girl monkey race toward the white farmhouse, with all the animals trailing behind. Here comes the squad. They are marching forward with determination and smiles, ready for whatever comes next. Under the big oak tree, everyone is relaxing in the shade. Pee-Pee pets the pig and everyone is sharing hugs. What a perfect ending! They hold hands and watch the beautiful sunset from the top of the hill. Seasons change, and now it's winter at the monkey farm. The snow is falling and the Christmas lights are twinkling. Look at the three little pigs. They are dressed as construction workers, shivering in the cold but ready to build. Pee-Pee and the minion are by the Christmas tree. Oh dear, the minion has gotten himself tangled in the lights. The minion tries to put the star on top, but whoops! He slips and falls right into a soft snowbank. That pig looks serious. With his hard hat on and brick in hand, he gives the signal to start the work. Pee-Pee is the architect today, drawing the blueprints in the snow while the pigs and minions started the plan. The first pig in blue is building his house out of golden straw bales. He pats them happily as the snow falls. Be-do, the minion arrives in his vacuum machine, shooting golden straw and glitter all over the pig's new house. The poor pig is buried in straw with tinsel on his head. He looks so confused and shakes it off. The second pig in orange is working hard, stacking wooden logs to build a sturdy cabin in the winter sun. Splat! The minion squeezes a giant tube of pink goo shaped like a heart right onto the wood construction. Oh no! A strong winter wind is blowing. The wooden house is shaking violently and the pig looks terrified. Crash! The wooden house collapses into a pile of lumber. The pig is okay, but he is definitely shocked. Now it's time for bricks. The pig in yellow is mixing cement and laying red bricks carefully in the coat. Check the plans. The pig looks at the blueprint while the minions peek over the rising brick wall. It's a montage. The minions toss the bricks and the pig catches them. What great teamwork energy! Look at those muscles. The pigs are proud of their strong brick wall as the sun sets on the construction site. Pee-Pee encouraged his pig friends, wrapping his arms around them in front of the festive Christmas tree. The pigs high-five each other in the snow. They know they are doing a great job building this house. Pee-Pee is pulling a wagon full of tools through the snow, handing a trowel to the pig to keep working. Everyone sits in a circle to plan the next step. They write the word big in the snow, thinking big. Work harder. Pigs and minions carry wood and heavy beams together. The construction site is bustling. It's finished. The brick house looks amazing, and the minions are hanging colorful lights on the roof. Time for the wind test. Pee-Pee turns on a giant fan, but the sturdy brick house doesn't move an inch. Precision engineering. The minions check the wall with a level tool, and it is perfectly straight. Hooray! Whoosh! A massive snow cannon blasts the minions, burying them. They pop out laughing from the snow pile. Hello down there! The minions look out from their cozy little snow nest, waving at us. The builder pig is dancing in the snow. He gives a big thumbs up because the work is finally done. Yeah! Pee-Pee and the girl monkey are decorating the outdoor tree with beautiful baubles in the twilight. The three pigs stand on their new balcony, hugging each other. They are safe and warm in their brick house. Celebration time! Everyone gathers in the festive farmyard. The minions throw confetti and everyone cheers. Happy holidays! Pee-Pee and the girl monkey wave as fireworks explode in the winter night sky. And just like that, it's summer. Pee-Pee, the girl monkey, and Mickey Mouse are ready to pick blueberries. Whoops! Mickey trips and falls on the grass. Pee-Pee and the girl monkey rush over to help him up. Look at this perfect blueberry. Pee-Pee inspects a crystal clear water droplet hanging from the ripe fruit. It's harvest time. They are pouring buckets of fresh blueberries into crates. Mickey is helping too. Pee-Pee drives the pastel tractor while Mickey plays the trumpet in the back. What a musical ride! Look at that huge machine. Pee-Pee explains to Mickey how the futuristic harvester shakes the berries off. Wow! Pee-Pee found a giant, oversized blueberry. Mickey's eyes are wide with wonder at the size of it. Girl Monkey is the mechanic today, tightening the bolts on the pink tractor to keep it running smooth. Oh, Mickey! He shook the bush too hard and got buried in a massive pile of fallen blueberries. At the loading dock, a white robot stacks the crates while Pee-Pee checks the list on his clipboard. The delivery truck is leaving the farm. Pee-Pee and friends wave goodbye to the animals as they head out. Inside the truck, Pee-Pee is driving while Mickey and Girl Monkey watch the bunnies hopping in the field. They arrive at the colorful factory. Look at all those trucks lined up at the industrial building. Inside the factory, thousands of blueberries pour into the vats. Pee-Pee watches the high-tech process. Splash! The berries bounce along the belt and get sprayed clean with water. Pee-Pee makes sure they are perfect. Squish! The metal pistons crush the berries into purple juice. Mickey is fascinated by the machine. Bottles move down the line and get filled with delicious purple juice. Pee-Pee pulls the lever to keep it going. Sticker time! The machine slaps the logo on, and the minion inspects the bottle with a funny look. Watch out! The minion is driving the forklift way too fast and drifting around the factory floor. Load it up! The forklift puts the juice into the colorful truck, and Pee-Pee gives the signal that it's okay. The truck drives down the winding road, heading toward the cartoon city skyline in the distance. At the supermarket, Pee-Pee and Girl Monkey stack the purple juice bottles onto the shelves for customers. Mickey is shopping. He stops when he sees the juice and happily grabs the bottles for his cart. Pee-Pee scans the items at the checkout counter and hands the bag to a happy Mickey Mouse. Ice cream time! A colorful truck is parked in the park, and Pee-Pee is serving a long line of animals. Girl Monkey wants a strawberry cone. Pee-Pee pulls the lever on the soft-serve machine to make it. Look at that swirl! Pink ice cream with rainbow sprinkles. That looks absolutely delicious. Yum! Girl Monkey takes a lick and did a happy dance because it tastes so good. Uh-oh! The minion ordered a mega cone, but the machine is getting stuck. Pee-Pee looks worried. Boom! The machine explodes and buries the poor minion in a massive pile of vanilla ice cream. He doesn't mind. The minion eats his way out of the ice cream pile while Pee-Pee laughs from the window. The friends sit on a park bench, enjoying their treats together on this lovely afternoon. Brain freeze! Mickey ate too fast and now his head hurts. Everyone giggles at his funny face. Honk honk! The yellow school bus pulls up to the curb. It's time to go to school. Pee-Pee, Girl Monkey, and Mickey line up to board. A pig driver opens the door to let them in. Everyone bounces in their seats as the bus moves. Pee-Pee waves out the window at the passing road. Bumpy road. The minion jumps on the back seat and bounces high enough to hit the ceiling. The bus drives through the candy-colored town and stops at a red light on its way to school. They arrive at Monkey School. The doors open and all the happy students stream out into the yard. Pee-Pee and Mickey walk down the hallway with their backpacks, ready to learn something new today. In the classroom, a giraffe teacher points to the board. Everyone sits at their desks paying attention. Pee-Pee knows the answer. He raises his hand eagerly while Girl Monkey takes notes next to him. Math time! Mickey stands at the board and writes 1 + 1 = 2. He takes a bow. Wake up! The minion is asleep and drooling, and the giraffe teacher is looking right at him. Science lab! Pee-Pee puts on his goggles and carefully pours the blue liquid into the yellow one. Poof! The beaker explodes. Pee-Pee is covered in soot, blinking his white eyes through the smoke. Ring! The school bell rings and Everyone rushes out into the hallway, cheering for the break. Lunchtime, Phoebe peels a banana while the pig next to him eats a giant sandwich in one bite. Whoops, the minion slips on juice and slides across the cafeteria floor with his tray on his head. Playground fun. Phoebe pushes Girl Monkey on the swing set as she kicks her legs high in the air. Wait, Mickey slides down the red spiral slide and lands with a thud in the sand, laughing. Spin it fast, for minions spin the merry-go-round so fast that one is flying in the air. Soccer time. Phoebe kicks the black and white ball with all his might, sending grass flying. Goal! The ball flies past the goalie into the net. Phoebe celebrates his amazing shot. It's a spooky winter night. Phoebe and the gang walk up a snowy hill lit by glowing pumpkins. Phoebe leads the way with a lantern, whispering to stay close as the cold wind blows snow past them. Look out! The giant pumpkin Grinch rises from the snow, glowing with green energy and laughing. A cute little strawberry points the way, guiding Phoebe through the dark, twisted vine forest. The minions carry a glowing object through the spooky vines, looking scared of every shadow. The pumpkin monster blocks the path with green lightning. Phoebe bravely shields the girl monkey. Phoebe looks determined. He holds up his shovel like a sword, ready to defend his friends. Hang on! The strawberry slips off the ledge, but Phoebe dives and catches its hand just in time. Hoo-cha! A Kung Fu broccoli flies into the frame with a powerful kick to save the day. It's a fight! Kung Fu broccoli battles the pumpkin monster with fast punches and kicks. The monster is defeated and shrinks back to a normal pumpkin. He admits he was just lonely. Phoebe offers a warm light to the sad pumpkin. He smiles and turns a friendly orange color. Inside the crystal chamber, they restore the giant glowing heart and beams of light shoot out. Party time! A carrot DJ spins the record in a field made entirely of popcorn and candy. Dance! Phoebe, the minions, and the redeemed pumpkin dance to the beat. Look at that broccoli go! A portal opens and Santa Claus steps out. He waves and tells them they have saved Fruitland. Time to go home! Phoebe and the gang jump into the swirling pink portal, waving goodbye to everyone. They land safely back at the Monkey Farm gate. It's Christmas Eve and everything is peaceful. A feast is set in the snow. Phoebe, the minions, and the strawberries sit down to eat a delicious meal. Merry Christmas! The minion dives into the popcorn bowl while Phoebe laughs and throws popcorn in the air. Santa flies off in his sleigh as fireworks explode above the snowy farm. What a magical night! Summer sunrise. Phoebe is on the hill with Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps, pointing at a butterfly. Phoebe walks under the Monkey Farm archway with Nick and Judy. It's a brand new morning. Judy takes notes on her clipboard while Nick walks relaxed with his hands in his pockets. Giant vegetables. Phoebe leans on a massive pumpkin, while a robot waters the giant crops. Judy waters the lettuce with a can, and they instantly perk up and grow right before her eyes. Inside the high-tech harvester, Phoebe shows Nick the holographic dashboard. Look at those lights. Digital scan. Phoebe looks at the cabbage through a screen that says it is 100% healthy. Nick and Judy measure a giant pumpkin. Nick whistles, impressed by how huge it is. Pull! Phoebe grabs the carrot top and pulls with all his might, his feet slipping in the dirt. out comes a gigantic carrot. A little worm wearing a hat pops out to say hello. Phoebe hugs a giant red tomato. Look at the water droplets sparkling on the glossy skin. Nick inspects a lettuce leaf with a magnifying glass and smiles when he finds a tiny ladybug. The green harvester drives down the roads, picking veggies automatically while the friends ride on top. Phoebe and Nick stand by the crates of carrots. Judy checks them off her list and Nick wags his tail. High five! The group celebrates their hard work in front of a mountain of harvested pumpkins. Beep boop! Small blue robots carry the crates up the ramp into the truck. Very efficient. Nick helps load the crate onto the yellow truck, while Phoebe gives a thumbs up from the driver's seat. Road trip. The yellow truck drives along the coast. Nick sticks his head out the window like a dog. They arrive at the colorful PYXIX factory. It's a busy day at the industrial park. Inside the factory, Phoebe and Nick stand on the catwalk, watching the massive conveyor belts below. A robotic arm washes a giant carrot. Judy checks the tablet and nods in approval. Packing time. Phoebe and Girl Monkey box the veggies, and Nick uses his teeth to cut the tape. The robots carry the boxes away. A minion tries to ride one and falls off. The Monkey Express train is at the station. Phoebe shakes hands with Nick while Judy salutes. Choo-choo! The whistle blows and Phoebe waves goodbye from the moving train window. The train travels over a high bridge, crossing a valley made of candy-colored trees. Magical! Inside the cab, Phoebe pulls the cord and sparks fly from the wheels as they speed along. They arrive at the market. Phoebe hands out fresh giant vegetables to the cheering crowd. A baby rabbit takes a big bite of a giant carrot and wiggles its nose happily. Phoebe drives the red truck back home as the sun sets behind the beautiful hills. Welcome home! The truck pulls up to the gate and all the animals run out to greet them. Real hot! Phoebe, the minions, and all the animals stand together in the warm light of the barn. The camera pulls back as fireworks explode above the farm in the shapes of hearts and fruit. The farm gate closes on the quiet night. The sign glows in the moonlight as fireflies dance. Another sunny day. Phoebe is serving ice cream cones to happy children in the park. From high above, we see the green farm. Phoebe opens the barn and sheep run past the red tractor. Phoebe is walking along the path when he spots a pretty butterfly fluttering near a mud puddle. Oh no! The little lamb has fallen into the mud. Phoebe looks shocked and runs to help. Phoebe finds a stick and holds it out, trying to help the poor lamb grab onto something. Whoops! Phoebe slips and falls on his back. He gets a better idea and runs off to get help. Phoebe returns with a rope tied to the tractor. He gently pulls the little lamb out of the mud. Bath time. Phoebe washes the mud off with a hose, and the lamb looks happy in the spray. Inside the barn, Phoebe shears the fluffy white wool from the sheep and collects it in a basket. Phoebe is busy. He moves the wool with a tractor and then dyes it in big tubs of red and blue. The colorful wool hangs on the line to dry. Phoebe dances happily in the backyard. Phoebe sits on the porch knitting a sweater. Now he's wearing it and posing with the sheep. Phoebe runs through the potato field. A white rabbit hops by and looks at a hole in the ground. Oh dear! The rabbit accidentally falls into the deep dark hole. Pee-pee runs over, looking worried. Pee-pee lowers a basket, but the rabbit falls out. Pee-pee looks frustrated and thinks of a new plan. Here comes the heavy machinery. Pee-pee drives a large yellow excavator down the road to save the day. The big bucket lowers into the hole and scoops up the white rabbit, gentle and safe. Pee-pee hugs the white rabbit. The bunny looks so relieved to be out of that hole. They drive back to the farmhouse in the red tractor, enjoying the late afternoon sun. Spa day. Pee-pee washes the rabbit in a bubble bath and dries him until he is super fluffy. Chef Pee-pee is cooking. He flips the food anguish. A burst of fire comes from the pan. Dinner is served. Pee-pee and the white rabbit sit at the table eating happily. Thumbs up. Pee-pee drives through the banana plantation. Eating a banana, bam, the tractor hits a rock. Pee-pee is on the ground with a wrench, frustrated by the broken wheel. He throws the tool down. Oh, a mischievous bad monkey appears with a torch and a wicked grin. Trouble is coming. Fire! The bad monkey sets the hay wagon on fire. Pee-pee screams in terror. Pee-pee calls for help with a megaphone, then grabs an extinguisher to spray foam on the fire. The chase is on. Pee-pee chases the bad monkey through the trees with a magic stick. Gotcha! Pee-pee catches the bad monkey and ties him up in the grassy field. Pee-pee calls the police. A panda officer answers the phone and jumps into his blue jeep. The police arrive and put the bad monkey in the car. Pee-pee salutes the officer. Good job! Pee-pee is driving his red tractor down the road again, waving at us under the blue sky. In the orchard, Pee-pee picks ripe oranges and puts them into the basket on his back. Sneaky, a large orangutan in a jailbird outfit jumps into the driver's seat of Pee-pee's tractor. Hey, the orangutan is still in the tractor. Pee-pee runs after him, shouting to stop. Pee-pee bursts into the police station. The panda officer jumps up and they run to the jeep. High-speed chase. The police jeep pursues the tractor while the orangutan laughs. Crash! The jeep rounds the back of the tractor and sparks fly everywhere. Boom! The tractor hits a hay bale and the orangutan flies through the air into the dirt. You're under arrest. The panda officer takes the orangutan away while Pee-pee waves goodbye. The panda officer shakes Pee-pee's hand. Pee-pee is proud to have his green tractor back safe. Relaxing time. Pee-pee and the panda sit on the porch clinking glasses of orange juice. Pee-pee is harvesting corn when dark storm clouds suddenly gather in the sky. It's pouring rain, lightning flashes, and Pee-pee is soaked and cold in the muddy field. Inside a leaky shed, Pee-pee finds a peacock shivering on a nest. He decides to help. Builder Pee-pee is back. He mixes cement and lays bricks to build a strong wall for his friend. He climbs the ladder with tiles and pushes a wheelbarrow through the mud. Never give up. Look, a beautiful new brick house stands finished with a rainbow over it. Pee-pee opens the door. Inside, the peacock is warm. Pee-pee gently holds a speckled egg from the nest. Crack! The egg opens with magical sparkles and a cute yellow chick hatches. Pee-pee smiles. party. Pee-Pee, the panda, and the animals raise their glasses to celebrate the new home. Pee-Pee dances with a white rabbit on his shoulders, holding a sign that says light. Roar! A green T-Rex appears in the forest clearing. This adventure never ends. Flashback. We see the crash between the tractor and the police car again. Chaos. What a feast! Pee-Pee sits at a table loaded with hamburgers and steaks. Delicious. Cheers! Pee-Pee and Panda drink chocolate milk and give a thumbs up. Goodbye for now. No adventure. Pee-Pee is walking down a muddy road with a bucket and trips. Splash! Pee-Pee falls into a deep mud puddle and sits up looking dazed and covered in brown mud. Pee-Pee wipes his eyes and sees a cow staring at him. He reaches out for help. Idea! A light bulb appears above his head. Pee-Pee pulls out a lasso to save the day. He pulls hard, but the rope slips. Pee-Pee falls face first back into the mud. Pee-Pee sits in the sludge, looking frustrated, while the cow looks at him sympathetically. Another idea! Pee-Pee smiles, wipes off the mud, and runs toward the big red barn. Pee-Pee runs into the barn as dust billows out. What is he going to get? He climbs into a large yellow excavator and starts the engine. Vroom vroom. Pee-Pee drives the excavator out of the barn, looking like a pro in the driver's seat. He arrives at a puddle and lowers the bucket toward the stuck cow. Lift off. The bucket gently scoops the cow up out of the mud. You're safe now. Pee-Pee lowers the cow into a dump truck and hops into the driver's seat. Pee-Pee drives the truck down the road with the cow standing safely in the back. Back at the farm, Pee-Pee sprays clean water on the muddy cow until it is clean again. Pee-Pee dries the cow's fur with a white towel and pats her gently, all clean. Pee-Pee leads the happy cow by a rope and feeds her some tasty hay. Thirsty work. The cow drinks water from a bucket while Pee-Pee watches with a smile. Pee-Pee hugs the cow's nose. Sparkles and hearts float around them. Best friends. Pee-Pee is driving a small red tractor through a vast field of green cabbages. He stops to harvest a large green cabbage from the soil with a knife. Heavy lifting. Pee-Pee waddles with a basket full of cabbages and puts it on the trailer. Pee-Pee drives the trailer full of cabbages down the dirt path, waving as he goes. In the kitchen, Pee-Pee is washing a large head of cabbage at the sink. Time to eat.